good flavor, and it will melt down, don't worry. 2 more shot glasses. Close that up tightly, pretty. Now this one, same thing. Bring it over. Great, check this out. Get a little barbecue. Just follow it all the way around. No problem, get yourself a little brush. Get that done. It's gonna give us a nice little glaze. Create a little flavor. Lime zest. Fresh. All the way. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Shuffle salt. Now we're gonna go in and grab 2 spatulas. Grab yourself one first, slide it under. Carefully. Make sure you are under the glasses. All the way. You go. Now we grab this other one. Slide it right there. Try and grip it all the way. Got that. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab some olive oil real quick. Nice little thyme brush here. Great little idea. Quickly. And we come back with the meat. Perfect. Remove this. And a second. Great. Now, we're going to grab some tequila. That is what the shot glasses are for. And you pour. And what we want is a nice little crust that's going to give us, with the flavor it comes with. Alright guys, we're going to carefully remove these. Same way. We're going to grab the spatula, bring it under your meat. It should slide in there like that. And we flip it. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and keep our shape, so we put these back quickly. We let it cook to perfection, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're almost done with the meat. Go ahead and grab it the same way. It's a little hot, so be careful, alright? Go ahead and do this here, same thing. Make sure we get under the glasses. We did change these, as you can tell, they are new, clean ones. Go ahead and grab them. Pick them up carefully. Oh yes, baby. Right there. Go ahead and pour a little tequila in these. This will be drinkable. And let's finish this off with a little more lime zest.